Hello everyone. The purpose of this video is to walk you through how to log into your FlipGrid for the RNtoBSN CBE program. First of all, if you log into your course, here's what you're going to see. If you navigate to the bottom of your screen, on the left menu, you will see an icon called FlipGrid. Go ahead and click on this icon. Once you click on it, this page is going to appear. Your FlipGrid is called CBE Cafe. To get into your cafe and get started with recording, you will see a message welcoming you to FlipGrid and asking you to click on the green plus button to open the FlipGrid camera. What you need to do is to navigate to the bottom and you will find that plus sign. Now, before you click on the plus sign, please note these are the questions we expect you to add or to contribute in your video. Did you enjoy taking your courses or a course in the CBE format compared to traditional online? What would you say are the pros of CBE? And what if are the cons? What would you tell other students was the main difference between CBE and the traditional online format? And finally, would you recommend CBE to your peers? Why or why not? To go ahead and respond to these questions, you navigate to the plus sign and you click it. Now it's going to ask you to log in using either a Microsoft login or to use a Google account. You can use your Rocket's email or you can enter any Google account. In this case, I'm going to log in using a Google account. Now, as you can see, it will start recording a video. Now, it might ask you to give access to your microphone. Once you click on Give Access, then you will be able to click on this button and start recording. Hello everyone, I love CBE. Once you're done, you click on the stop and then you do next. Hello everyone. So it did record, and if I play it back, you can see that it plays back my audio. Now, when you're done, just go ahead and close out of this and confirm, and it will automatically be added to the FlipGrid. Now, if you have any other questions, go ahead and ask your instructor.